Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business, building something from the ground up, but then got completely overwhelmed by the legal jargon and endless paperwork? Many aspiring entrepreneurs face this exact hurdle. The idea of forming a legal entity like an LLC or limited liability company can feel like navigating a complex maze. You hear about liability protection, tax benefits, and professional credibility, and you know an LLC is likely the right move, but how do you actually do it without spending a fortune on lawyers or drowning in bureaucratic forms? That's where online legal service providers like LegalZoom come into play. They promise to simplify the process, make it accessible and even affordable. But with so many options out there, and the stakes being your new business, it's natural to wonder, how exactly does LegalZoom work for forming an LLC? Is it really as easy as they say? And what do you actually get for your money? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on LegalZoom's LLC formation services. We'll walk you through the entire process, from your initial thoughts about naming your business to getting those official documents in your hand. We'll explore the key steps LegalZoom handles, the common questions people have, and what you should consider before taking the leap. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether LegalZoom is the right partner for your LLC journey. First off, let's establish what an LLC is and why it's such a popular choice for small business owners. An LLC is a business structure that offers personal liability protection. This means that if your business incurs debt or faces a lawsuit, your personal assets, like your house, car, or personal savings, are generally protected. This is a huge advantage over operating as a sole proprietorship or partnership, where your personal and business liabilities are essentially one and the same. Beyond liability protection, LLCs offer flexibility in taxation, often allowing you to choose how your business is taxed, as a pass-through entity like a sole proprietorship or partnership, or even as a corporation. And they lend a professional air to your venture, which can be beneficial when dealing with clients, investors, or lenders. So, you've decided an LLC is for you. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how LegalZoom steps in. The entire process with LegalZoom begins online, designed for simplicity and ease of use. You won't be sifting through dense legal textbooks or trying to interpret obscure government websites. Instead, LegalZoom guides you through a series of questions, gathering the necessary information to prepare your official documents. The very first step on LegalZoom is usually a business name availability search. This is crucial because your chosen business name must be unique and distinguishable from other registered entities in your state. LegalZoom will check your preferred name against your state's records to ensure it's available. If it's not, they'll prompt you to provide alternative names until you find one that clears. This saves you the headache of filing documents only to have them rejected due to a name conflict. Once your name is clear, you'll provide LegalZoom with essential information about your LLC. This typically includes the state where you want to form your LLC, which can significantly impact fees and ongoing compliance requirements, the names and addresses of your LLC members, owners, and details about your registered agent. The registered agent is a critical component of any LLC. This is a designated individual or company with a physical street address in the state where your LLC is formed, who is responsible for receiving legal documents, official government correspondence, and service of process on behalf of your business. While you can often serve as your own registered agent, many entrepreneurs opt for a registered agent service, like the one LegalZoom offers, to ensure these important documents are always received promptly and to keep their personal address off public record. LegalZoom can act as your registered agent, which is a convenient add-on service. After collecting all this information, LegalZoom takes on the task of preparing your articles of organization or certificate of formation, depending on your state. This is the foundational legal document that officially registers your LLC with the state. It includes vital information like your LLC's name, its purpose, the registered agent's details, and how the LLC will be managed, member-managed, where all owners participate in daily operations, or manager-managed, where you designate specific individuals to run the business. LegalZoom ensures these documents are accurately completed according to your state's specific requirements, minimizing the risk of errors and delays. Once the articles of organization are prepared, LegalZoom handles the filing with the appropriate state agency, typically the Secretary of State's office. This is where their expertise truly shines, as they understand the nuances of each state's filing procedures and can navigate the process efficiently. They will also pay the state filing fees on your behalf, which are separate from LegalZoom service fees. Beyond the initial filing, LegalZoom often includes or offers as add-ons other crucial documents and services that are essential for a properly functioning LLC. One of the most important is the operating agreement. While not all states legally require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended for every LLC, regardless of whether it's a single-member or multi-member entity. Think of it as the constitution for your business. It outlines the ownership structure, the rights and responsibilities of members, how profits and losses will be distributed, decision-making processes, what happens if a member leaves, and much more. Without a clear operating agreement, your LLC could face significant challenges and disputes down the line. LegalZoom will help you draft a tailored operating agreement based on your specific business structure and needs. Another common service LegalZoom provides is obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. An EIN is essentially a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file your federal and often state taxes. While you can obtain an EIN directly from the IRS for free, LegalZoom streamlines this process for you, adding another layer of convenience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.